Dear twin flames, I used to show up and share that, that all of us just come here to experience life and to express ourselves divinely. And, it has shifted in such a big way, the mission. Like, we are at a time right now where we don't get to just do that, right? That's probably what got us into this mess, right? To experience life and feel that you're the only person that exists, and that more for self, right? If we think about systems and greed, and we think about big pharma, and we think about all these things, just greedy, hungry. It's hungry. And it's never full, right? Because there's the brokenness of circuitry in that feeding thyself without feeding others, right? It's the brokenness of the love circuitry of I give and receive. I love you, you love me. I give to you, you give to me. And it goes round and round. There's something broken in that. And so the mission has changed dramatically. It's not just about you. It's not just about you expressing yourself divinely. It's not just about you experiencing life on earth. It is about serving one another while serving yourself, taking care of yourself while you're taking care of others, because we're losing people. We're losing people. People are having a hard time dealing with the reality that we are in. And then as the consciousness shifts and the consciousness and the vibration shifts, if you're holding on to the old ways of doing things, right? The self-centered ways that this planet got into trouble with, that greed, is very hard to keep your feet on the ground, right? The consciousness shifting, the vibrations higher. It's hard to be in love consciousness if you ain't loving. You don't want to touch that. And to see what's really happening, to see that all of our systems, our law, our medical, right? Our families, family law, all of it is infiltrated by this greed that I talk about. It's infiltrated by this self-centeredness. It's infiltrated by not unifying or unity or loving one another or serving one another. And people are hurting right now. And people are suffering right now. And people are getting sick right now. And there are things going on this planet just ain't right. And if you're one of those bearers of truth that know that something just ain't right, I'm asking you to go deep into your heart, to find source, to find that love that loves you enough to keep you here and to love you and keep you safe. And give that to this planet. Speak it to this planet. Run around and put it everywhere, all over this planet. Be that love. Be that grace. Be that mercy. Be all of it. Big love.